No, there's too much competition. I'm not even going to get started. Have you ever heard that? Hey, everybody, I'm patent attorney J.D. Houvener. I'm here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And I'm here to dispel this hesitation that I know a lot of you are thinking about. That the market's saturated. I'm never going to stand a chance. The truth is, the fact that there is competition is really good news. It means that there's a demand and there's a market for your product, for your industry, and growth. Some cool examples I found that are really well known, and I think will hopefully motivate you to think about this in terms of whether you move forward with your invention, is looking at, hey, don't think about too much competition. Think of that, hey, there's a big market out there that if I'm able to get in, I can make it really big and have a huge impact. I don't need to create a market or teach people about my product, which a lot of inventors have that problem. If your product fits into a very crowded area, yes, you're going to face competition, but know that you've already got a market that's huge at your fingertips. Sir Richard Branson, who set up Virgin Atlantic Airlines. This was many years ago, but I mean, the airline business, it's the most crowded, capital-intensive industry on earth and dominated by huge competitors, behemoths like United and Delta, right? Southwest. He decided to enter the market. He didn't reinvent the actual airplane or device. He invented the experience. And so that's why they've succeeded, because they have made a way, carved a niche into their specific customer profile. He didn't avoid competition. He entered one of the most competitive markets in the world and won by doing it differently. Number two, Reed Hastings and Netflix. Think about the market, late 90s, Blockbuster, Hollywood video, cable TV, I mean, entrenched. And he is going to start a company distributing DVDs and movies via mail. That was his solution. That was his plan. Talk about a disruption, especially when they went to streaming. As you all know, Netflix today is purely online. Innovated not just the product, but the distribution of the product and the convenience. So finding ways to differentiate into a fully saturated, very competitive market. Netflix won the day. Reed Hastings didn't fear competition. He used it as proof that people already wanted the product. Okay, last example here, really well-known brand based in Seattle, Howard Schultz and Starbucks. Coffee shops existed everywhere. I mean, Dunkin' Donuts, I mean, you name it, every single corner coffee shop was there. Diners, cafes. Schultz didn't invent coffee and didn't come up with a revolutionary new type of coffee. It was the process, the branding, and the customer experience. As we all know, he created that third space, the place where you can actually go and relax after work, on your way home, stop in and feel at home as possible in a Starbucks. So Howard Schultz entered the super saturated market of coffee and built an empire by owning a better version of it. So this could be you. This could be your product, your invention. Don't think that competition is a bad thing. It's a good thing. So lean into it. Visit us at boldpatents.com and have a chat to see if your invention, your patent product has wheels. Let's go together and go big, go bold.